Hello. So for this story project, you are going to be creating your own personal story. In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to make a story that has speech bubbles and changing backdrops. I'm just going to quickly show you guys how to do this, and then you're going to be on your own to actually create your own story that includes at least 5 backdrop changes and at least 5 speech bubbles. So I'm going to first go to Scratch, and I am logged in. I'm going to create my new project. And once I get my new project, I'm going to choose a sprite that I want to use. And I'm going to choose my backdrops also. I'm just going to click 2 different backdrops, and if I click backdrops right here, it actually changes the code options. I'm able to create code specifically for the backdrop to do things. I'm not going to do that in this one. All I'm going to do right now is look at the backdrops tab to see what we have. I'm going to delete that original white one. And so I currently have 2 backdrops. For your guys' project, you're going to include at least 5. Okay, I'm going to click back on Ballerina to write code specifically for her. And to start most of our projects, when the green flag is clicked, our ballerina is going to go to a specific position on that page. We're going to start her right here. I'm just going to copy and paste in the numbers for the X and Y coordinates. And also when that green flag is clicked, we have these 2 different backdrops. We want to switch the backdrop to baseball. That's what we're going to start with. Okay, so when the green flag is clicked, she's here, and the backdrop is on baseball. I'm going to have her say something. This is just a quick example. This is not a great story. She's just going to say baseball for 2 seconds. And after she says that, I'm just going to have her glide over to the other side, so somewhere over here. And I'm just going to change the x-axis to a positive number. Great. Okay, let's see how that looks. Baseball. Okay. From here, now that she's made it to the other side, I'm going to switch the backdrop. Just by doing next backdrop, you can also do switch backdrop to a specific one if you have a whole bunch. So we're going to go to the next backdrop. And from there, I'm just going to have her like wait a little bit. I don't want her to immediately react to anything. She's going to wait 5 seconds, 0.5 seconds, and then I'll have her say something again. She'll be like, basketball. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Baseball. Glides over. Basketball. Great. Great beginning of a story. I'm going to have her interact with another sprite. And right now I'm selected on that sprite. I'm going to write code specifically for this bat. And I'm thinking I only want the bat to appear when it switches to the basketball background. And so the code for that, when the green flag is clicked, we're not going to see that bat originally. And when the green flag is clicked, that bat's going to hide. But when the backdrop switches to the basketball scene, I'm going to have that bat show. And he's going to interact with the ballerina. So he's going to wait like 2 seconds. And then I'm going to have him talk to her by saying something like, yes, basketball. Okay, let's see how all this looks. Baseball. Glides over, switches backgrounds. Basketball. Yes, basketball. Okay, so that is really basic. It doesn't really do anything, but this shows you how to create the speech bubbles, change to different backgrounds, have characters appear and interact with each other. As you guys are working on this, I would encourage you to open up these examples, and once they load, click See Inside so that you're able to actually see the code for it. Both of these were created in really different ways than how I just did mine, and so they're good to look at to get inspiration for other things that you can do. And when you're ready to turn this in, we're going to be turning it in via a Google Sheet. So just click this link, follow the instructions, and turn it in there.